you want to grow your e-commerce business, or are you looking for an effective way that produces results instantly? If yes, keep watching this video till the end. Hi, my name is Karthik and I'm a PPC specialist in SEO discovery. So, with PPC, you can make your e-commerce business profitable in an efficient way. For that, you must follow the following rules. First, brand awareness. Online presence of brand have a huge impact on business. It is an essential step to make your business on all-time high. More the awareness of your business give you higher sales with e-commerce. Second, product listings. If you have an e-commerce business, you must list your products on Google product listings. So when someone try to get some product, search on Google, it will help you to show your products on those search queries. Third, shopping ads. Shopping ads helps you to get top positions on product listings on search engine results page. In general, the tendency to get clicked by the user on our products is higher on top results. Higher the position we have on search engine results page, higher the chances to get clicked. Fourth, remarketing. Remarketing will help you to make re-engagement with your existing customers or visitors. It's not mandatory that a user will buy a product on his first store visit. For pitching our customers again and again, remarketing is the best way for that purpose. So these all are the major PPC assessments that you can proceed to boost your e-commerce business. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.